we just kind of officially got up. I've been editing the vlog all morning, and we are going to the pools again. And hopefully I'll be able to get more footage of underwater stuff. And I've fully charged the battery, so everything will hopefully be fine.
Hi guys, again I'm back. Rest in pieces. Yee.
Where are we going?
To a swimming pool.
Seriously, Siosi's still going, but I am done. I have had enough. Just trying to dry up so I can put some dry clothes on, because I will shower at home. I hope that you like the footage. We did try to get a few, but we're not allowed to film in here. And I'm pretty sure someone's going to come up to me soon and tell me to put the camera away. But because I love you guys, I'm going to do it anyways and risk getting in trouble. And I had so much fun. I love this pools. It's like so cool. My hair's still a bit wet. We're going to go after this and get some fruits and vegetables from the mall, because I'm starting another diet again. But don't lose faith in me, because I'm going to be serious this time. Okay? I really need to do it for myself, because I just put on so much weight. It's just his fault. No, it's my fault actually. I need to take self-control, and just because Siaosi eats Hungry Jack doesn't mean I have to as well. My name is Mahana. We're having a feed now, because we didn't have a feed before we went. Mint. That's my favorite. Yum. Yum.
We're going to Woolies. It's almost 11 o'clock. I'm going to Woolies to have some little shop for tomorrow and the week. Going to Woolies to buy everything, having lunch, everything this way. But I'm so tired from the pool. So nice and cool tonight. Tomorrow back to normal. It's so hot. But my story, I tell you when I get home, and I'll explain everything, and you see it. You will see it. Thank you.
It's so cold, so we had like a little nap which went for longer than we thought, and oh my god, the lighting here is so beautiful even though it's at night. And we've come to Woolies to get some fruit and veggies because the shop that we usually get our fruit and veggies from, which you guys always come along with us to, was closed when we got home from the pools. And so we're just coming here to get some last minute fruits and veggies from Woolies, and then we'll go there tomorrow night to get the usual. But it is so cold. This is such a big change. These last couple of nights have been like 40 degrees, 39 degrees, etc. Oh my god, my hair looks disgusting. Don't judge me by my hair, okay? Hello, sexy spunk. Hi, everyone. What's your baby?
Because I'm a baby.
Well, I believe if I'm starting tomorrow, I might as well have last minute, right? Raspberries. It's like $5 a kilo. I should have a salad tomorrow. I really should. But I don't feel like making one right now. So maybe I'll just take this and then actually buy some things tomorrow. Fuji apples are life. Oh my gosh. They've only got pink ladies. Do you want some ham for your sandwiches? I'll make you sandwiches tonight.
I like ham, no.
No, we didn't get any ham. We only got cheese. We can get it from there. It's better over there. Cheaper.
If you don't buy it.
Yeah, for you.
Please remove your card.
Ah. He's so cute. Hello, Baba. Ah, look at your chubby chickies. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.